preview and I will tour you around sa ilang pool and Waka Villas.
Hello mga kabangbang!
Yay! Where are we? Secret place.
Ari kami subong sa may uncommon grounds. Damo kami nakapark, damo kakadto. Kala ka namin guys. Dito rin yung bala. Kami guys, mapark kami liwat. Wag siya ko liwat.
Yay! Hello mga kabangbang. We are here in a not so common place because we are here at Common Grounds at meron tayong vlog takeover with my friendship there. Joey in the house once again. So, thank you ma'am. Good morning. Here's your order. Oh, paro ka mo uniform.
Tapos, orange man na yan. Hindi pa ni orange.
Di paro ka mo uniform. Oh, di ba? Paro. Ang ano kami na... Oh no! Wait lang. Wait lang, dali lang yan. Sige, go. They have pandan rice. You can check that. This one. And may breakfast for kids, so this is child-friendly. Ooh, thank you! Melon juice. Yours. Function room. 7 a.m. until 9 p.m. Oh, diba? Tapos we have lengua and pandan rice. And
Oh yes.
hindi na ako nayari lang ako. Laksa. Okay, thank you, Mana. Yay! Where are we? At the secret place. Secret place! Oh yeah, cute sa nilang Bridgie. So that's the restaurant on Common Grounds, and here are some of the function rooms, and we have here playground. Pwede di ka rent sa ilang mga villas. Ooh. Let's go to the pool. Look at ito. Yeah, so let's go here. Tama siya ng pool. Para si Mami ni Joe. And may mga villas kita pwede for rent in case you want to spend full night here, no? So pwede din kita maka-rent ilang fee 6,000. Enjoy ka diri, maligo sa pool. So syempre, together with your family and friends, company outing. Mami Jo, how are you? I'm so tired. Let's sleep. Mami Jo, just wake me up, Mami Jo, when you're done. Bye!
You can accommodate up to 25 packs.
Tagpila na siya, Ma'am? 25 packs, Ma'am.
Kung overnight siya, ma'am, that is 15,000. Kung day use lang siya, ma'am, that is 12,000. Nasa ulong ko na.
Oy, I like it's wooden stairs. Ooh.
Pag excess ka mo, sir, 1,000 kung overnight, 400 kung day use.
Diba? Very affordable. Kagkanamig dyan sa ato niya nga, ga-assist sa aton. Grabe.
Basa lang sa brochure. Sales na agad.
Yan eh. Kung kalantaw ka mo sa ako niya vlog, paki-comment di kung ano ni siya klaseng flower.
Paki-comment.
Wala to na record, girl. Wala to na record. I-record or hindi. And this is one of our villas ni Mami Jo.
Balay. Oo, wala nila tao. Sorry.
Thank you so much mga kabangban, and of course to Mommy Jo and Cutie Jake. Yeah, we are here at Barangay Kagamutan, Leganes. So there you go. This is yours, Miss B, the ambush interviewer about arts, brand, and culture in the city of love.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. Remain inspired!